COSI, we believe that science is everywhere and for everyone. It shouldn't matter if you're in our building in downtown Columbus or at home with your family. That's why we've created COSI Connects Kits, a themed kit with a week's worth of STEM activities delivered right to your front door. With the Little Kid Kit, a space story box, you'll find hands-on science activities designed to help young learners discover space. Make a pretend telescope, launch a rocket, design a spacesuit, and more. With the hands-on and bonus activities, your little one will explore what space is and how we see it, what it takes to become an astronaut, and how to train for a trip to the moon. This kit is perfect for kids in pre-K through first grade. Included, you will find all of the instructions, links to videos, and supplies you need to complete science activities. Discover the fun of science in the comfort of your own home today. Learn more about COSI Connects Kits at cosi.org.